Hello, my name is Griffin Lovern, and this slideshow is on improving your personal fitness. So, what does physical activity prevent? Physical inactivity can lead to multiple things, one including cancer, being obese or fat, depression. It can lead to diabetes, and it can even lead to premature death, dying too early. Around 25, 26%, so just about 1 in every 4 American adults do not participate in leisure time physical activity, which was right when I saw that number, I was super surprised. I thought it would be, under 10, maybe up to 15. I did not think it would be up to 26%. I was very surprised when I saw that number. Also, over half of college women do not meet the physical activity guidelines. I think it was right around 54, 55%, I believe. And just around 44% of college men don't meet the recommended guidelines as well, which is a giant number, which I expected to be below 10%, and it is giant. So this, hopefully my presentation can change a lot of minds. So, what are the key components to physical fitness? So, cardiorespiratory fitness, which is full body, being able to have a lot of stamina for a long amount of time, which is a full body workout. Muscular strength, which is obviously lifting heavy weights. Muscular endurance, which is being able to lift while muscles not giving out or getting tired, being able to have that stamina to last longer. Flexibility, which is being able to have your joints or muscles being able to flex easily, which you get flexibility by stretching a lot. And also body composition. So, to improve your personal fitness, you must use the FIT principle. So, what does FIT stand for? It stands for frequency, intensity, time, and type. So, frequency. Frequency stands for how often you participate in the activity each week. It could be 3, 4, 5, 6, even 7 times. Generally, you want a minimum of 3 times a week for most physical activities if you want to get better at them. Intensity. So this stands for how hard your workout is during your physical activity. You usually have 3 intensity rates, and these stand for how intense and how fast the heart is beating. Time. How long will it take for your workout physical activity to be completed? This varies. See, if you're trying to get your mile down, you're trying to get your mile down to 6 minutes. Does not take that long for a physical activity if you're trying to get your mile down to 6 minutes. Now, if you want to get your bench press up to, let's say, 200 pounds, you would have to work out more than just 6 minutes. So it varies from each workout and each physical activity. And the type, what exercises will you be doing? If you're running, if you're trying to get your mile down to 6 minutes, you'll be running. If you want to get your bench press up to 200 pounds, that means you'll be doing bench with weights. So this varies on which type you would like to do your workouts. And then ways to improve your physical fitness. So, recommended is getting 30 minutes of cardiovascular activity, which is full body. Add strength training to your workout regimen. Strength training does so much more than just building muscles. Find ways to move more. Like, for example, you could get a stand-up desk. Right now, I'm at a sit-down desk. If I had a stand-up desk, I would be more physically fit. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Just yesterday night, I took the elevator. I could have taken the stairs and gotten more physically fit. Do push-ups or sit-ups during a commercial break. This would be very beneficial if I started doing all these things for my physical fitness. Also, lead with your heart. This is when you were walking or running or anything else. You want to have great posture, keep your head straight and your chest out to prevent injuries for your back. When you're mainly when you're participating in physical activity, but also when you're walking around, sitting, and running throughout the day. Also, to improve physical fitness, you should stretch every single day for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. Now, some days I'll stretch up to 30 minutes, but you should stretch a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Here are my references, which is the Access to Health 16th edition by Rebecca J. Donatel, 2008. The WikiHow How to Improve Physical Fitness by Danny Gordon, 2022. And then 10 Things You Can Do to Improve Your Physical Fitness by Gary Broussard, 2011. Thank you so much.